yours a lean.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. As you can see, this is a Juvia's Place makeup tutorial. I have the new Juvia's Place. This is the Melissa palette. Is that the name of it, y'all? What's the name of it? Okay, I guess it's called the Melissa palette. But anyway, this is how the palette is looking. Cute. So I am going to be doing a look for you guys. If you're interested, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, check me out. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, girl. Yeah, let's jump right. So just FYI, I am going to be doing a voiceover. I want to play my music in the background. It is 12:44, so I want to, you know, get this video completed so I can go to bed because you know your girl got to work tomorrow. So yeah, that's my disclaimer.
When I close my eyes, I see your face, a memory that doesn't fade away. I wish I could remove you from my mind. I wish I could remove you from my mind. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. You're here to stay. I've tried always. I didn't mean to feel away. You're not around anywhere. I tried to beat what I feel. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. Guess we did have some good times back then, and all those memories that stayed the same. You told me word that I saw die buried. You said you loved me without even ring. And now you say, oh, I can't succeed. You're here to stay. I've tried always. I didn't mean to feel away. You're not around anywhere. I tried to beat what I feel. And now you say, I can't succeed.
Alright y'all, so this is the final look. As you can see, popping. Now I am very impressed with this palette. Like, girl. So first off, this purple right here was very pigmented. I put it on my eyelid, bada, it was very pigmented. And then this I thought was a loose glitter. I did not need a primer, and I don't have a primer on. Do you see that? Like, I did not have to use primer glue, and it just spread it out. Like, I'm like, wow, I'm shook. I think I only paid $10 for this. I am so shook. So the only shade I did not use in this palette was this shade right here. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Can you guys see it? So I did not use that shade because it was too close to the purple. It would have had looked it like a whole one color mess. So I didn't want to use that color. So I'm like shook right now. This palette is popping, girl. Like, nice. This is popping. So I don't have any cons. As you can see, I did my face makeup already. I don't see any fallout. Ooh, I did not set my contour, y'all. So let me go ahead and set my contour. Like, girl, and I didn't put no blush on. Girl, it's a photo shoot, girl. Okay, but yeah, wow, I'm shook right now, like popping. So I do have to review this palette next by Juvia's Place, Blue. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for tuning in, y'all. I really appreciate you guys watching it to the end. This eyeshadow is popping. If you are a beginner, you are gonna love this because it does all the work for you. So get it. And I hope you guys like my earrings. Where did I get these from? These earrings are like 6 months old. I'm just now wearing them. I got them from Shein for I think $5. What you talking about? What you talking about? So anyway, thank you so much for watching, y'all. See you in my next video. Bye.